Hotty toddy from Oxford, Mississippi. How y'all doing? And my 3D ducks are out on location. Now let's compare to the Squishland China-made little 1-inch capsule toys. And they just suck. Look at the quality. Can't even paint the bills right. Forgot to paint this one. Looks nasty. Y'all know I'm about American-made businesses in bulk, and I will support them. Now in this video, we're going to find out if these ducks can swim. No. I'm scared of water. No. I'm going to tell you where to get them, how much they cost, and how you're going to double your money on American-made business. Compared to the Chinese, oh my God. But they come in the 1-inch capsules. I haven't seen a capsule that's been pre-opened on shipping or whatever, because as y'all know, some capsules just fall apart. They don't click just right or whatever. But the capsules are good. You're going to get your little yellow duckies, little black duckies. And what I love about these is the butts will waddle, the wings will flap. Now there's a little bit of filament on this one. You just rub off, but I'm not going to go through them all. And these are safe. This person has used food-grade filament, so there's no allergies with colors or swallowing it or anything. They'll poop out just fine. Purple ones got to be my favorite. But do they swim? Will they float? We'll find out soon, and I'll also give you the contact information so you can get some too. Now there's $62.50 for 250 pieces. That includes shipping. And I'm sure the more you order, the cheaper they'll get. Now the green one, that's going to be my second favorite. But y'all comment down below what's your favorite. And I'm sure you can just order all single colors if you want, a mix. It's totally up to you. Now, if you're into supporting American businesses in bulk, you want to join my Facebook group called Bulk Vending. Answer the question Gumball Gold and you're in like Flynn. You'll get the latest in what other 3D printed 1-inch capsules or 2-inch capsules are coming down the pike. It's all about MAGGA, making American gumballs great again. Now, is he a swimmer? Does he look strong? You think he's going to do the backstroke? Let's find out. Well, he's on his back. If we, I guess, poke him a little bit, maybe he'll turn up and do the... Nope. He's going to stay on the side or can't get him upright. All right, thanks for watching another video. I'm back out reading the mail. Bye-bye.